Hey everybody. Well, Christmas is over, New Year's is on the way. I'm down here, I was just down here today. I'm down in my, I have a little grow room downstairs that I started. Our son moved to the front room up at the house, and our awesome daughter has moved out. So I have this extra room. I was going absolutely nuts with the greenhouse being gone, like, you know, for the summer. I didn't know, I thought I'd go crazy for winter. So I got this going, and I built this other NFT system. I know I'm always saying I don't like them, and I don't really, for some stuff. Okay, I don't mean to offend anybody, but for bigger stuff, I just don't care for them. For lettuce and Pac Choy, and man, they're awesome, man. I really like Pac Choy, and I like lettuce. I've never done this indoors like this, so I don't know, they don't seem to have that crazy life that they did outside. Maybe they will. They just kind of started. They're, I don't know, a couple of weeks old, maybe 3 at the most, maybe something like that. Oh, our awesome daughter got me some new beer glasses for Christmas. Go figure, how would you know, right? Anyway, she sent to Czech Republic for them. They're really awesome, and I want to thank her for that. Děkuji moc, Misha, jsi úžasný holka. Anyway, yeah, our lovely daughter got me these glasses, and I absolutely love them. I'm also having a nice Winterfest beer, guys. It's real nice. So, anyway, I want to say a special hello to my newfound friend Jennifer. Bedside Garden. She's kind of in a bad way right now, so I want to send her like lots of love, lots of energy, and all the best wishes. And I thought maybe, you know, since you're in bed right now, Jennifer, you might want to check this out and just kind of have a little fun. Anyway, so there we are with that. So I got a lot of good ideas for down here, guys. I do have a grow tent right behind me. I'll show you that on my next video because I don't really have it set up. But I'm putting LEDs in there, and I'm going to have 3 peppers so far I got going. That's going to be happening in there. So yeah, I'm trying to build a little suspense for next episode. Okay, I guess it's kind of noisy down here and echoey too, guy. But anyway, listen. This is what I got going on. I got 3 kinds of lettuce. This one looks really awesome. I don't know what it is. I just had lettuce seeds in a bag. This is different. This is different. I think this might be Esmeralda or something. I do know this little guy on the end is something called Gandhi, and they're supposed to grow these tight little heads. So we'll see. But in all honesty, I'm really not sure what to expect. I've never grown anything under lights like this, and I don't know. They seem to be behaving differently, although they're growing. Yeah, they seem to be working. But anyway, I guess the main point of all of this is, guys, everybody can be doing this at home. Everybody can be making food for themselves. Get away from that market as much as you can. It's all poison anyway. My opinion, sorry. Anyway, this can be done. And if you go to MHP Gardener, you go over there and see Bobby's channel. He has a setup that I guess it was really invented or brought about by a fellow named Kropke from, I believe, the University of Hawaii. Anyway, Bobby checked it out, and if you watch his videos, you're going to see some amazing, I mean amazing results. Just crazy results. And all you have to do is just fill up basically a little pond, throw the stuff on top of there, and come back when you're ready to eat it. Zero work, no air pressure, no pumps. Nothing. So I'm going to be also trying that in the greenhouse this year. But I also wanted to build another NFT system, and I built it out of the square stuff. And here again, I saw Bobby's, and it looked so good. I'd seen them before, but when I saw Bobby's results, I went, wow. Yeah, I'm going to check that out too. And it just looks so nice and clean. So anyway, this is what I've put together. I'll kind of walk you through what I've done here. It's kind of like all my systems in the greenhouse too, guys. A nutrient reservoir tank, freshwater tank to keep that up, because I do check my pHs and keep them balanced and stuff. I know some of you guys don't. It's just what I've been doing, so I'm staying with it. And of course it pumps up to this end, a couple of distribution lines, drain down on this end. But yeah, it worked out pretty good, and it seems like the results are good. I think I might want to bump the lights up though. I'm not too blown out by this, by these. I got, let's see, there's 232 waters in each one of these things. I had them in the garage, so I used them. I mean, hey, it was there, right? But I may go to the LEDs. They're kind of pricey, but wow. Wow, they work. You can ask Ed over there at Two Bros Hydro about though. In fact, check him out and see what the LEDs are doing. Like this, the heads of his lettuce were spectacular. Anyway, this is fun for me. It's keeping me eating over the winter of fresh stuff. I love Pac Choy. So anyway, this is what this is all about for me. This isn't any commercial thing or nothing. I'm just doing this for the love of doing it. And I like making videos and I love sharing them with you guys. And I want to encourage you guys to try this. I mean, yeah, just give it a try. It's so rewarding and in so many ways. Not only eating, but you're doing something good, healthy and productive, and it's good for yourself. So look, I'm gonna grab the camera. I'm gonna give you, man, all serious today, woo! Okay, I'm gonna grab the camera and just give you a little spin around of how I put this together. It's kind of cool, you might like it. Okay guys, I'm gonna do my best to hold this camera steady. I might not be the best cameraman in the world. But as you can see, what I did is I just put together just a really a funky little tube frame. You know, in fact, this was not even PVC. This is, well, it is made out of PVC, but I used a vacuum tube line, you know, for installing in-wall vacuum cleaners, you know. That's what I did with this. So it's just basically simple. Nothing is attached to the rack. And the reason being is when summer comes, this is going to go out on the other side of my greenhouse, and then I can bring it back in the winter. That was the idea of the whole portable thing. So anyway, here I am, and it's, like I say guys, it's the same as all my systems usually are. There's my distribution lines, got my no, not intake, holy smoke, my drain lines coming back in. There's where she's draining out of the bottom, and yeah, I got some more stuff going there too. I'm gonna make some new systems there. And I'll show you the top here. Let me just lift this up. Now on the top here, I didn't put plants here. Now this is just simply so I can stuff my hand in there and monkey with that valve if I need. And here's the other one there. You can see some doggone, oh yeah, there's a lot of roots coming in from the Pac Choy. I think I'll just take those out of there now. Man, me and my root thing, holy crow. It's, it's a constant battle between me and the roots. Anyway, here's the Pac Choy happening, guys. It's, like I said, it couldn't be anywhere near, yeah, maybe 3 weeks at the max. It's old. I have changed the kind of fertilizer I'm using, not because I was unhappy with it, but because it was expensive. And here, I'll give you a little rundown the lettuce too. But anyway, I've gone to a completely commercial fertilizer, and I'd talked to both MHP Gardener and Barefoot Gardener about the same thing. Eric's also doing it. I went with a little different brand, but the bottom line is you take it, you mix your fertilizer in, you throw in a little bit of calcium nitrate and some magnesium sulfate in the form of Epsom salts, if you like. And yeah, it's way cheap. It's just a little more monkeying around, but honestly, mixing it, the pH is coming out at exactly 5.4 when using it, so it's pretty good. So here we are, like usual. I got my little freshwater tank here because I know a lot of guys don't bother. It's just, I like to keep the levels, if I'm in a monkey with them, I want to keep them the same all the time. And it's just like any old other tank you've always ever seen. And I got air stone float valve, you know, for the fresh water to keep that maintained. Well, that's pretty much the whole build anyway. It's just, you know, it's your basic old NFT system. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you. Halfway down the run here, I put air stones in each one of these racks, rails too, to just give it a little bit more air, because I noticed last year outside, it seemed like the end, it was good, but it just seemed like it was just not, you know, not quite kicking it like the top end was anyway. So anyway, you guys, that's pretty much all I got. I just wanted to share what the heck I'm doing down here. Check this, check this stuff out. I don't know. It doesn't seem the same as outdoors, but hey, I'm having fun. I'm gonna have a lot to eat, yeah, and we'll see. And hopefully, I got this tent going here. I'm gonna have some peppers in there, and hopefully I can show you those really soon. That'll probably be about like that. Okay, you guys. Until next time, above all things, be good to each other. Be good to each other. An act of kindness is never, ever, ever wasted. Uvidíme se později, buďte na sebe hodní všichni.